The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing, so count it as a blessing that I'm only उन पोको मुझे लगा यार यहाँ पे पोको लोको आ जाता तो मेरा वो गाना फोर शेडिंग बन जाता पर कोई नहीं चलो सेकंड स्टेज ये चैप्टर 15 हमारा शुरू हो चुका है सेकंड स्टेज टाइम ऑफ सनसेट 6:03 पे जॉनी जोस्टार और जायरो जेपली रनिंग डिस्टेंस ऑफ द डे अप्रोक्सीमेटली 95 किलोमीटर्स तो एक दिन में ना 95 पार कर लिया पर जहां तक मुझे याद है शायद 150 किलोमीटर दूर था पहला वाटर सोर्स इनका तो 50 किलोमीटर हाँ 50 किलोमीटर है दूर और करंट रैंक है फर्स्ट कैंपिंग एट दिस लोकेशन तो अभी सबसे आगे चलने वाले लोग हैं This might be a little sudden, but I'd like to introduce a story in a newspaper from a certain European country dated April 23rd, 1890. In that country, there was a boy named Marco. He was 9 years old. तो 9 साल का लड़का था मार्को. The boy's family was from line of servants to the aristocrats. Marco was also to serve under a baron named Rippy, and his job would be cleaning hats and shoes. When he was about to leave his parents, his father told the 9-year-old Marco, "This job will bring you happiness as long as you stay humble and earnest," he said. तो मार्को जा रहा था नौकरी करने. Every morning, Marco got up earlier than everybody else and shined the shoes and brushed the hats of the baron and his guests. However, weeks after taking service, suddenly the country's military police broke into the estate and Marco was arrested. The baron was plotting a revolution against the king of the country. The king's assassination was prevented, but treason is the most serious crime. The baron's partners in the plot and the baron's family were put on trial and sentenced to execution. From the evidence, the assassination plot was planned in this estate, and Marco was seen as part of the baron's family. Shit. Because he was shining the shoes of the baron and his partners every morning. There is no doubt that he knew about it, they said. तो अब ये मार्को को मारेंगे क्या? The execution method was beheading. The decision of the state was absolute. Champagne का cork? I've got the image. At least image of the spin. Like the dancing image of a spinning ballet dancer in the wind. तो ये उसको घुमाने की स्पिन देने की कोशिश कर रहा है जैसे जायरो देता है. इसने अपने हाथों में पकड़ा और दोनों हाथों से घुमाने की कोशिश की. बात तेरी यार अब ये मुझे समझ नहीं आता. कभी कभी ये हो जाता है कभी कभी ये नहीं होता है. मुझे वापस खोजना पड़ेगा. स्टील बॉल रन चैप्टर 15 था. हाँ 15 था और ये ब्रूम ये मार्को की स्टोरी चल रही थी हमने देखी और फिर यहाँ थे हम जहाँ पे घुमा रहा था. कहाँ था? यहाँ था. ओ और इसने घुमाया और घूम घूम के इसके हाथ पे चला गया. इट्स स्पिनिंग जायरो. फिर स्पिन आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होके निकल गया. व्हाट जायरो, weren't you watching? You didn't see me just now. Why weren't you watching? It was great. It really spun the cock. Why do I have to watch you all day? So, you really did it. Do it again then. Huh? That's funny. Where did the cork go? The rocks are behind me. It shouldn't fly out. Where is it? It shouldn't disappear like that. Pop. क्या इसको इसको आके लगा क्या? अच्छा ऊपर चला गया था और इसको आके लगा. पॉप. देख रहा है क्या हुआ? इसको लगा. Pop. What was that sound? Where was it? It's a little damp. It's falling down my back. Was it really up the horse's ass? क्या? जॉनी, there's someone over there. मुझे जानना है भाई क्या हुआ. तो इसने जब ये लॉन्च किया गलती से खो गया और आके इस पे गिरा. हाँ कुछ तो हुआ इधर दिख रहा है. तो जाने दो तुम यार. तुम ना पॉज करके पेजेस इन्वेस्टिगेट कर लेना. मैं और टाइम इस पे वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा सोचने में कि उस कहाँ गया कि नहीं. कॉक. जॉनी, देयर समवन ओवर देयर. कोई आ रहा है. You think he's planning to run all night, this guy? Unthinkable. That horse would just get in an accident in the dark. He might come over here. You just said that this route was the full of weirdos. Johnny, did you bring a weapon? When you say weirdos, you mean guys like that Mrs. Robinson, right? That was by chance. You think so? We are champion candidates. If you have any weapons, get them out. If he comes near us, we'll drive him back. तो जॉनी देख रहा है कि उसके पास कोई वेपन है कि नहीं. जस्ट इन केस आई डिड ब्रिंग अ गन बट आई हैव नेवर फायर्ड इट बिफोर. और इसके यहाँ पे कोई डायरी निकल के आई क्या ये. ओ ये तो मार्को का है वो सब सामान. तो ये जायरो अपने में ढूंढ रहा और ये सॉरी जॉनी अपने में ढूंढ रहा और ये जायरो के बैग में से निकल के आया जो मार्को हम पढ़ रहे थे जिसके बारे में उसका ये सब. एग्जीक्यूशन इन सितंबर. बॉय गिवन डेथ सेंटेंस फॉर ट्रीजन. जायरो's garbage. नहीं sorry जायरो's baggage. What's this? A coat of arms. A letter holder with a coat of arms on it. Did he steal it? A coat of arms is a treasure that can be held without permission by someone like a lord in Europe. और फिर Officer Zeppeli protest against the boys' guilt. 50 million needed for retrial. तो जायरो का मोटिवेशन है कि जो मार्को नाम का लड़का था जो ऑफिसर के यहाँ पे काम कर रहा था उसको बचाने का. Were you taught to look through other people's stuff while growing up? और जायरो गुस्से में है. जॉनी देखता है और जायरो अपना बैग उठा के चल गया. I wasn't looking through, but you. Who are you? You are not from this country. You should stick to opening your own luggage. और जॉनी देखता है. Jairo Zeppeli didn't say anything more on the subject, but I wanted to know. Why was Jairo able to use the steel ball? I wanted to know his roots. Was Jairo trying to save that boy all by himself? How were Jairo and the boy related? The race price of 50 million. All I can say about this is the time that Jairo answers these questions would come soon. Soon enough. When he hits the harshest point in the race. He really is coming over here after नहीं. He really is coming here over after all. फिर क्या हुआ? Looks like the balloons have landed. This might have become a race interference. Allowed route. Never let him come near. और इसको क्या हो गया? जॉनी के घोड़े ने नीचे कर दिया. ये क्या? अच्छा नहीं जॉनी शायद. अच्छा जॉनी चढ़ रहा है उसके चढ़ने का स्टाइल है ना तो उसका घोड़ा उसको हेल्प करता है क्योंकि वो अपने पैरों से तो नहीं चढ़ता. All right, stop right here. Don't come any closer. Yeah, you. ये तो कोई और ही बंदा है. I'm talking to you. मुझे लगा था माउंटेन टीम पीछा कर रहा होगा. I told you to stop right there. Don't shoot. I mean no harm. I came here because I saw the fire. Meaning harm or no harm. I'll judge that after you leave. I was bitten. This is bad, real bad. I was squatting down and taking a dump and my fingers were bit. Shit, 2 fingers on my left hand. Hey, what are you getting off your horse for? You asshole. Don't make me tell you to stay away for more than once. Johnny, did he say what he was bitten by? He hasn't said it yet. A poisonous lizard. A yellow and black striped one. When I was trying to wipe my ass, it was hiding behind the shit. Please give me some fire from your campfire. I want to burn the wound and clean it. Might be a fake wound. The lizard is a spotted salamander. Once its venom circles around the whole body, you die. Well, that's too bad. Wait for the rescue group. What are you talking about? Would they come at night? I'll be dead before dawn. After I cut off the poison, I want to clean it. Give me some fire. Are you going to let him die? I don't know, but I don't trust him. Strange guy. I won't let you come near us, but I'll give you a piece of wood. You go ahead and start your own campfire and clean it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. तो बंदा जायरो को बहुत ही ज्यादा ग्रेटफुल है उसको आग स्टार्ट करने को दिया. इसने अपना बैग हटाया और अपनी गर्दन बांध ली और मर गया. और ऊपर से बांध क्या? अभी तक तो ठीक था. इस बंदे ने ये लिया बेल्ट अपनी गर्दन बांधी एकदम जोर से फिर पेट से लटकाया और पैर से? हे व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? इट्स एनेस्थेसिया। अच्छा, एनेस्थीसिया। तो ये अपने आप को एनेस्थेसाइज कर रहा है कि इसको दर्द ना हो। सिंस आई एम गोना कट ऑफ द पॉइजन पार्ट ऑफ द स्किन, आई नीड अ पेन किलर। I invented this way myself. It's out of this world. Don't ever try this. I always let the girls strangle me. क्या? Just before I pass out. What's he talking about? No idea. What's all this? इसने हमने हाथ काटिया या जोर से चिल्लाया। जॉनी का रिएक्शन, ये कुछ तो हुआ, इसका पैर बहुत जोर से कांप रहा है, इसका हाथ, इसके मुंह से झाग आ रहा है, इसके चाकू कटा हुआ खून है और ये बंधा हुआ और ये उठ के गिर गया चाकू। What the hell? He tore out his wound. Lizard really did get him. Shit. He tore out his wound? Wound? कहाँ है? अच्छा, तो ये इसने ये किया और इतनी जोर से हुआ कि वो गया। Shit, I really didn't have to see that kind of thing before, right before going to sleep. Here's your fire. Just get the hell out of here, damn it. He's not moving anymore. Yeah, of course, you'd definitely die if you do that. He might have really bought in by क्या strangling so much. Hey, wake up. I'm sorry that I was hard on you when you were bitten, but we don't want you lying there all night either. Just get up and get out of here. तो ये बंदा गया, मर गया। Hey, he didn't really die, did he? Gyro, I found this name on this racer list. Andre Boom Boom, number C450. He's in at the 10th place in the first stage. तो ये बंदा 10th प्लेस में था फर्स्ट स्टेज पे और ये नीचे देख रहा है क्या हुआ। इसके जूते, ये क्या हुआ जायरो के जूतों को? वो चाकू उधर पड़ा है और जायरो के जूते बेकार हो रखे हैं। माई बूथ एंड दिस बूम बूम, वेट अ मिनट। 9th place is Benjamin Boom Boom. 11th place is LA Boom Boom. The same last name. Here's 3 of them. बात तेरी, ये फिर से वो करेगा? नहीं, चलो इस बार बच गया। Here's 3 of them. He's not alone. A family. और ये दोनों लोग आ रहे हैं, आंद्रे और एले बूम बूम होंगे, आई प्रिज्यूम, आई डोंट नो। और ये अपने घोड़ों पे आए और इन्होंने अपने भाई को देखा। इज माई ब्रो आंद्रे डेड? डू यू थिंक बिग ब्रदर्स रियली डेड? शट अप यू इडियट, मैन डोंट क्राई। ये तो मैन नहीं लग रहा था, पर कोई नहीं। बट दैट जायरो जेपली, he carefully didn't approach Andre to the very end. Andre is giving it all he's got to. But he finally touched Andre's knife. He didn't directly touch Andre, but he touched the blood-stained knife. और ये उसका वो horseshoe का पैटर्न। Who the hell are they? There's 2 guys coming right at us. They're a team. They're a 3-man team aiming for the 50 million. If they're going to charge at us, Johnny, shoot the gun on the left. क्या? Shoot the guy on the left with your gun. I'll take the one on the right. और इसका ये क्या हो गया? What the my foot? यार कुछ तो बहुत ही बिजार चल रहा है इधर। पता करेंगे अगले चैप्टर में, तब तक के लिए बने रहिए।